Hello everyone. Okay, getting ready to, I think, unlock my Jedi. But the invasion's actually going on right now, and this has delayed me quite a bit. These patriots, when they're around, I can't get in, and I didn't want to wait any longer. I've just been, like, every time I log in, they are in my way, and I can't kill all of them. Look how many there are. But this is, I mean, this is nothing. Okay, so anyway. You see I have the experience for Melee Defense 4. That'll make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trees that you have to complete. So I don't know what really happens after that. I need to get rid of something, so I have some space. There we go. Let's get rid of novice sharpshooter. Some space for skill points. Okay, so now I talk to Nolden. I don't really know what's going to happen here. I'm interested in learning a skill. Melee Defense 4. Okay. There we go. Finally, quest acceptance. Finally, that makes sense. Wait for this freaking rascal. Been contacted by the mysterious figure yet again. They are finally ready to meet after helping the village so I can get back on their feet and relish. And so things seem to finally be looking up again. Sorry, I'm talking fast because I don't want to be attacked by these things. You've been contacted by the mysterious figure yet again. They are finally ready to meet after helping the village survive and get back on their feet after a relentless onslaught, which is still going on, by the way. Things seem to finally be looking up again. You have a lot to talk about. Okay. I have what you seek. Come quickly and come alone. I'll send you the coordinates. Head to the meeting in your data pad. Okay, so we just have to try to get out of here and not get attacked by these patriots. Looks like there's one in the opening. I'm just going to run right past him. Ah! Stay away from me. So, meeting location's over there. See it? It's a waypoint down here. Meeting location, 1100 meters. So, okay. To get my XP, the way my build is, I could only store about 170,000 combat XP at a time, which isn't a lot. But I would go about, you can see how many meters right now I am away from the village. I'm about 500 meters. I'd go about 1,000 meters in any direction away from the village and just kill stuff as fast as I could. And I get about 10 to 11,000 combat experience per kill because all I use is my pet. I don't attack myself, and as long as you use your pet, you get full combat experience. 16, 17 kills, and I head back. Trade it in, do it again. Now this is like the worst phase for doing this part for the end. Power crystal there. Because of the invasion that's going on for phase 4. Okay. I don't know what's going to happen here. Somebody's... What the hell? Rooted? Boba, you fool! You've been causing me a lot of trouble working with these freaks, but I finally have you now. Okay, well, we'll just... I better call my pet. See, I've never done this. Oops, wrong one. So I didn't know what to expect. I'll buff him here in a second. Hopefully you don't need a group for this part. Hopefully it's one at a time. And I'll feed him. Music's great. You guys hear the music? Turn it up a bit. This is like, what, episode 2 or 3 music? I think it's 3. We have this Karen Moose around here too. So yeah, that was a lot of grinding to get all that XP. And then combat XP turns in for about... Oh, this is Mellichae. I do remember this. Okay, so let's get this Patriot. Oh, crap. I don't think I can take him on and... No, I cannot. Alright, I'm gonna run. Come with me, come with me, come with me. Come with me, pet. Come with me. We have to get Mellichae by himself. Kill all the other ones. Oh, you piece of shit. He was killing me pretty quickly. Okay. I will be back. Not gonna stream this part. I think I'll be back. Okay, I forgot to record. Holy crap. But I got someone from my guild to help me. Oh my goodness. Crazy thing is, I never do guild things, so this dude is so nice. So yeah, this is a group quest. And I haven't done it in 20 years. Sorry, I'm like really intense right now. There was so many, you have to kill the crystals first around the camp. There's tons of spawns that come out. This guy is a tank. This Bess Karsh, dude, you are amazing. Amazing. Wow. Going in, like, he knows what to do. I have no idea what to do. I got it. Oh, shit. Do I use it now? I need to do more guild stuff. I'm gonna use it now. Select a message. I have no idea. Urgent summon. To Phoba. I have what you seek. Come quickly and come alone. I'll send you the coordinates. Okay. He's gonna send me to Naboo. Okay. From Mellichae to Patriot. Patriots, our plan is in motion. The Jedi sympathizer will walk into our trap soon. Our allies in the Inquisition have assured their non-interference. Okay. Inquisitorist channel. Well, there's a lot going on here. Okay. State preparations from Mellichae. Assured the safe house prepared the next round of it's been too long, then we can finally. Dude. This guy is the bomb. He's just running around. He was tanking the entire... Okay. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. So much. So much. I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful, man. Thanks so much. Meeting location. So it was the data pad just had a bunch of text. Make sure I didn't miss anything in there. Because I can't do this again. If I don't do it right, I'm just going to delete my account. Yeah, I got the data pad. Oh, look at that. Investigate. Oh, okay, yes it did. Okay. Okay, yes it did. Yes it did. Ah, jeez. I'm shaking over here. That was intense. Oh, he's puking. Oh. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. Can I do anything for you? You kicked ass. Kicked ass, man. Holy crap. Yeah, I don't think 1.5 people are supposed to be able to do that. You being 1. I needed more guild stuff. I'm just never on. I'm so thankless. And I really needed that help. Thank you. Yeah, sorry. Sorry everyone. We're just chatting a lot, but it really needs to be known here. Oh, okay. Okay. That would be great. I really just play solo. So I do ask more. So, yeah, my cat's like, "What's going on, Dad? What is going on?" Guys, this is intense. Like, holy cow. Let me ask him if is it okay if I put you on YouTube? Very cool. Read your bio, okay? Oh, okay. Wow. I had an original Jedi. But I had what server was I? Was What server was I on? If I said it, let me think. I have to ask my friend Kyle. I have to ask. Oops. What the hell did I do? He remembers everything. Bat. Start with a B. Started with a B. Like basilisk, but not. I think. Me too. A lot of crashing. Take care, man. Take care. Oh, I can get in there? Oh, sweet. Oh, that's Kyle. Okay, everyone. Well, I'm off to Theed. This is a really cool vehicle, by the way. What vehicle is this? The sleek airspeeder built by the Dessler Gish Outworld Mobility Corporation is perfect for whipping around the galaxy in style. It's a Coro 2 Exodrive airspeeder. This thing's sweet. Anyway, I will stop recording now, and whenever I get to Theed, I will start up again. Okay, I'm back. So lots of lots of chat. That was fun. I'm off to... They've been showing... No. It's not showing any of my... Any of the stuff that I just did with my guildmate. That's really weird. I crashed... Oh, there's Bess Karsh. Bess Karsh, yeah. Bess Karsh. Now it's recorded. Of course, it was already recorded, but yeah, I freaked out during that fight because all hell broke loose, and I really wanted to record the whole thing. But it was the most insane battle I've ever had because you're supposed to actually have 4 people fighting Mellichae. And basically Bess Karsh just soloed the whole thing. I mean, didn't solo it. I don't know if she could have done it all by herself. But she tanked the entire thing. She just ran around while I killed all of the crystals that healed Mellichae. So there's 4 crystals around the little area where Mellichae was at, and you have to kill the crystals first or they'll just keep healing them. And then all these ads come and just spawns everywhere. So I was just trying to keep everyone alive while my Krillian Sand Panther killed things for me, and just kept trying to keep Bess Karsh healed up. It was insane. And I'm sure like that's normal for her. She probably does that all the time because she does guild stuff. And I was telling Bess that I need to do more guild stuff. My daughter's 2.5 now. We spend a lot of time together, and I feel guilty if I don't. But I think maybe once or twice a week I could probably get away to do stuff like that. That'd be pretty cool. And Bess was saying that the guild could help me with my Jedi too, so. Salvador. You guys hear my cat? Like, he's like, who are you talking to, Dad? I'm talking to the internet. Yes, I'm talking to the internet. Alright, so we're gonna go in here. Let's go in here. Alright, discover the truth. Like, I haven't done any homework here, so I don't know what's going to go on. That's why Mellichae just destroyed me the first time I popped up into his camp, and I feel embarrassed that it happened because I remember it after it happened. I remembered it from 20 years ago. It was too late, so that's why Bess Karsh came out and helped me. Salvor, would you stop? He wants his head rubbed really bad. Okay, we're gonna go in here. Something about the truth in here. I think this is the right area. Okay. I have this same house. Yeah, we don't want to sit there. I have this same house on Rory, so I'm pretty familiar with the house. Uh-oh. It's an Inquisitor. You, why are you here? This place isn't stumbled upon by accident. Hold on, I sense it. Weak, barely worth noting. But it's there. Another Force sensitive. You all bleed the same arrogance, thinking you're something special. In this new era, you respect the galaxy has no place for you. But I sense something more. You've come to my home for a reason. Why are you here? Unless you killed him? How in the galaxy did you manage that? He was a master of the Force from Bess Karsh. A man with a will of cortosis. You're not even a speck to him. You're nothing. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Maybe that's supposed to happen? Yes. Who's this? Is that Ahsoka? Sure looks like Ahsoka. Come on, get out of the way, cat. Yeah, let's get a better view here. Well, Ahsoka would have 2 lightsabers. This is really cool. I don't remember this happening in the original game. Okay. That was weak. It says a mysterious figure. I mean, it could be Ahsoka. Sure hell looks like Ahsoka. Guess it's time to add saving reckless Jedi to my resume again. Converse. You alright? I sensed you were headed for danger and I came as quickly as I could. I think so. Wait, what's going on? Huh, good question, I guess. Let's start with the name. I'm Ahsoka Tano. I'm the one that gave you a bunch of puzzles. Oh my god. I love Ahsoka. Just the best. Glad I don't have to call you mysterious figure anymore. Great, now for an apology. I'm sorry, I left you alone out here. I know all too well what can happen when you feel abandoned. Yes, you do. It seems like you were able to deal with most of these criff-raff, but I didn't realize the depths in which these patriots would go. But you're a Jedi. I can't believe it. Can you train me? Listen, I'm no Jedi. I haven't been for a long time. I can see that the Force is with you. Use it. The Force can guide you. It can be your most trusted ally in a galaxy full of rakeweeds. Trust me when I say that you might just be better off looking after yourself. You're here now. I want to try. Try, huh? There is no try. Only, well, you know what I'm saying. Look, this path isn't easy, and I'm not the person to help you here. What if... No, this isn't fair to you. The Force has brought us together, and I can't ignore that anymore. I understand the risks. I'm sure you think you do. You've come a long way, and you seem committed. I may not be the teacher of the year, but I know that I can help you. So I'll tell you what. If you want to train with me, we will need to get you on the path. The path to where? The Jedi Temple? Bright suns. Too soon, kid. No. The path is just somewhere safe. Well, a few somewheres, but we can start with the ranch nearby that village you were helping. If you really are sure this is what you want, I'll see you there. Does this mean I'm your, Padawan? Let's go with apprentice for now, kid, if you're ready. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, you have completed the unlock process. You must now decide whether or not to follow the path of the Jedi. If you choose this path, there is no going back. You'll be hunted. You'll be forced to live a life of secrecy. Death comes with consequences and may prevent you from playing on this character for a period of time. If not, you will be able to return to your life as it was. You may remain a Force sensitive, but you will not be able to become a Jedi. You may only have one Jedi character per account. Unlocking Jedi on this character will grant you one additional character slot. Select yes to become Unlocked Jedi. Select yes to become Unlocked Jedi, or no to stay as you are. The Force is with you. Make your choice. I mean, holy cow. Why would you go this whole way? Warning, have a Jedi character is a privilege, not a right. If you participate in malicious activities like fight clubbing, exploiting, circumventing AFK check mechanics, or otherwise violate the server's rules, your Jedi character may be permanently deleted without any refund or transfer opportunity. Walking the path of the Jedi is walking one of honor. That is the truth. Betraying that honor will have serious consequences. So, select yes to become Unlocked Jedi or no to stay as you are. Yes. Okay, visit the ranch. Okay. That's it? Okay. Okay, it's really late, so we're going to stop it there, and I'll talk to you guys later.